Good morning everyone, respected principals, sir, teachers, juniors and all my dear friends. It's me Shiwang Sharma standing in front of you to deliver news on the topic of recent flash flood in Nepal. Scientists investigating the cause of devastating flash flood that tore through the Nepal-China border on Wednesday, destroying towns, roads and bridges, causing significant loss of life. It is being believed that the main cause of disaster was triggered by huge glacier collapse and landslide. Nepal is a hotspot for climate disaster as the planet heats up. Vast sheets of ice up in the Himalayas are melting and rocky mountains are becoming less solid and more fluid. Scientists are still working on it, but here's what we know so far. Flash flood hit the Nepal-China border. A landslide that equivalent of 5.2 magnitude earthquake struck the Nepal-China border Wednesday morning, triggering a brutal flash flood. Some major countries and their support for Nepal: India, China, UK, US, Switzerland, UAE, Australia, Japan, South Korea, Canada, Sri Lanka are some major countries who are supporting Nepal by providing air force support, medical assistance, rescue operation, financial support, emergency supply services, humanitarian response. Thought of the day: mistakes are the proof that you are trying your best. Word of the day: significant. SIGNIFICANT. Thank you.